Welcome to this mantra meditation. Mantras are a wonderful technique for creating the reality you desire. Keep in mind that not all mantras work well for all people, so take what you desire from this meditation and peacefully enjoy the rest. Make sure you can fully immerse yourself in this session by removing any distractions, knowing you will not be disturbed by anyone or anything. It's best to be in a seated position, with your back nice and straight, with eyes closed. Take 3 slow and deep breaths at your own pace, counting to 3 as you go. Now repeat this mantra after me, either out loud or within the mind, counting to 10 as you go. 1. I am everything I need to be. 2. I am everything I need to be. 3. I am everything I need to be. 4. I am everything I need to be. 5. I am everything I need to be. 6. I am everything I need to be. 7. I am everything I need to be. 8. I am everything I need to be. 9. I am everything I need to be. 10. I am everything I need to be. Good. Again, repeat after me, along with gentle counting. 1. I know all the answers I seek. 2. I know all the answers I seek. 3. I know all the answers I seek. 4. I know all the answers I seek. 5. I know all the answers I seek. 6. I know all the answers I seek. 7. I know all the answers I seek. 8. I know all the answers I seek. 9. I know all the answers I seek. 10. I know all the answers I seek. Nice. Your next mantra is 1. What I do not know is left unknown. 2. What I do not know is left unknown. 3. What I do not know is left unknown. 4. What I do not know is left unknown. 5. What I do not know is left unknown. 6. What I do not know is left unknown. 7. What I do not know is left unknown. 8. What I do not know is left unknown. 9. What I do not know is left unknown. 10. What I do not know is left unknown. Wonderful. Continue in this peaceful practice. 1. Life is a reflection, so I treat it right. 2. Life is a reflection, so I treat it right. 3. Life is a reflection, so I treat it right. 4. Life is a reflection, so I treat it right. 5. Life is a reflection, so I treat it right. 6. Life is a reflection, so I treat it right. 7. Life is a reflection, so I treat it right. 8. Life is a reflection, so I treat it right. 9. Life is a reflection, so I treat it right. 10. Life is a reflection, so I treat it right. Beautiful. Allow these powerful mantras to dive deep into all levels of awareness, bringing forth a better life experience day after day. Thank you for your time. Thank you.